Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 22nd, 2013. It's currently 8:24 a.m. and we have winds coming off of the Atlantic Ocean this morning from the east, of course, ranging from 10 to 20 miles per hour. Seeing a gust around Belmar around 25 miles per hour. That's some breezy winds, and I'm going to show you why we're seeing these winds this morning. And of course, these winds are transporting a marine air mass into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So currently we have temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast. For today, high temperatures will basically range around the lower to mid 50s along the coast, mostly around 50 on Long Island, and mid to upper 50s away from the coast. So let's say in Freehold, you'll probably be around 57, 56. Belmar, 51, 52. That's basically the whole theme for today. Atlantic City, 51, 52. Philadelphia, 57. So as you can see, the further you get away from the coast, the warmer it will get. Now the radar this morning is showing some interesting developments going on over the southeast coastal waters. This is going to be something to watch as this disturbance that is brewing all these showers lifts to the north and east and brings a few isolated, widely scattered showers to the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area tomorrow. For today, I expect dry conditions for the most part. As you can see, there's really not much reaching the area. But these showers are going to have to be watched, especially right along the coast. There will be a potential for some drizzle, some scattered showers. Nothing like a washout, more of a nuisance, especially if you're heading out to, let's say, a baseball game in Philadelphia or New York City. Might be dodging a few showers here or there for tomorrow. For this evening, again, dry conditions. A little cool, but dry. Now, here is the infrared satellite picture, and you can see a lot of details going on here. First of all, here's our high pressure system over the St. Lawrence River Valley. This is the St. Lawrence River right here, thus the valley. Now, this high pressure system will shift towards the Canadian Maritimes, leading to a northeasterly wind. Meanwhile, we have one disturbance around the Tennessee River Valley, and of course our disturbance off the southeast coast. Now, this disturbance again is going to lift basically parallel the coast, okay, and mostly it's going to get pulled a little bit further to the west, producing a few scattered showers tomorrow because of this disturbance right here. Meanwhile, this cold front that's going to be approaching, which we just got new data, that's pretty cool. This cold front that's approaching here is going to reach us by Thursday with additional showers. So as you can see here, we're dealing with a rather unsettled weather pattern over the next 5 to 7 days with these disturbances moving in. No big storms, no major spring storms or severe weather outbreaks, but more of a nuisance of scattered showers here and there through the forecast period. And again, you could already see that high pressure system on its way towards the Canadian Maritimes. It's pretty strong, so the pressure gradient between this strong high pressure system, 1,043 millibars, is strong any time of the year. And it's exceptionally strong for spring. So with a high pressure system this strong, forcing marine air mass into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area as winds circulate in this direction, enhanced by this developing low pressure system, and so you get the strong easterly winds that we are seeing this morning. So how long is this going to last? Well, here's the latest European forecast model guidance from the Penn State UL website. Now, the European model guidance is doing the best job in handling the overall weather pattern here. So I basically followed that guidance for today, as I have been for the past couple of weeks, quite frankly. Now, this disturbance, which you can see here, is going to start to lift north and east, producing a few scattered showers for tomorrow. You can see some of that mid-level moisture. This isn't a widespread heavy rain event. This is pretty much some nuisance showers due to a lot of low and mid-level moisture. Once you get above 850 millibars, we're dealing with a pretty dry air mass in place. So again, this is widely scattered. Most locations will remain dry. Best potential for a shower along the coast tomorrow. By Wednesday, high pressure will briefly be in control. We're kind of in between or just a little bit ahead of this cold front that we'll be approaching. So temperatures will rebound into the mid to upper 60s over many locations on Wednesday ahead of the cold front. Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to be dealing with a few scattered showers. Again, nothing widespread, nothing, heavy, but just basically a widely scattered shower event that you see in the spring. No severe weather is expected though. By Thursday, high pressure is in control again by, well, most likely Thursday evening. Now, Thursday morning, a few scattered showers. Thursday afternoon, an isolated shower, variable clouds. Thursday evening, dry conditions take place. Skies start to clear as dry air builds in. Temperatures basically in the lower to mid 60s, upper 50s along the coast. And then for Friday and Saturday, high pressure will be moving right over the region with high pressure in control. That, of course, means clear skies, dry conditions, no major weather events. Temperatures basically ranging from the mid to upper 60s just away from the coast, lower to mid 60s along the coast. Typical spring-like weather. And then for Sunday, we're going to watch this disturbance and see how it develops, because this disturbance is going to have the potential to cut off. As you can see, the rest of the polar jet stream is carving out a trough in the west and ridge over eastern Canada. It's clearly starting to evolve in that manner, but this disturbance is starting to get cut off. So we're going to have to see exactly how this disturbance develops, how far west it starts to cut off. The further west, the drier we'll get. Okay, so for Sunday, I'm only going with scattered showers. Temperatures basically in the lower to mid 60s. If this disturbance cuts off more towards, let's say, the central Mississippi River Valley rather than the Ohio River Valley, then you're dealing with drier conditions, winds more from the south rather than from the southeast, and also warmer conditions with temperatures more in the mid 60s to lower 70s rather than upper 50s to mid 60s. So orientation and location matters significantly, not only for Sunday, but also for much of next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.